Hello. Hello everyone.
Hi everyone,
Hello
welcome
David.
back.
How you doing?
Hi Nova, how you doing? How's it going everyone? Good morning, good night, wherever you're watching us from. So
Yeah.
nice to have you here.
Good summer, good winter, good whatever. Uh 'cause I think in South America right now it's I
Yeah,
don't
it's
know.
like yeah, it's kind of weird because we're at like starts of April, but in some places like Argentina or things like that, it's
Yeah,
very like winter.
winter. Yeah, yeah. Makes sense. Hello everyone. Where are you joining from? I know there's a lot of we have a lot of uh, Indian friends,
Yeah, I
people
think
from India.
I think we have a lot of friends from Egypt, Pakistan, India. Hi,
Pretty cool.
Gishvaru. Oh, hi, Shimmery. So nice to see you again. Hi, Shimmery.
Hello Shamari.
Shimmery is from Vermont, if I'm not wrong.
Oh, okay. Pretty cool. Hello, everyone. So let's get deep into it. Um, Welcome to the second day of the Global Hack Week, the API week. It's been well a short a short week because we're the second day, so we have a lot to go. So let's make a summary on what we've done till now and what's going on in the future. So let's get into it. First of all, welcome everyone, newcomers, for people. Welcome to people that already joined uh, 1,000 global hack weeks before. You're welcome. And yeah, the second day, there's some great things coming. And today, Debate and I will walk you through all of them just to be on the same page. So, first of all, let's meet me. Hi, my name is Nopal. I've been in an MLH coach for almost a year something. Um, And the fun fact about me is that it's been, I don't know the exact number, I just put 380, but it's been like more than a year and a half probably that I didn't watch a movie or show, series, or anything. I don't know why that sounds strange to, to people that I know. But yeah, it is what it is. I'm sorry for that. So let's go with our friend.
Hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. We have people from India, Colorado. We have also persons from Africa. Welcome, everyone. So nice to see you. So my name is David. I'm from Mexico. I'm a coach here at Majority Hacking. I've been like at the same time as Nopal. I've been like during 3 months or something like that. And a fun fact about me is that I started playing Solitaire Spider on Windows 2000 when like in 2003 I was just like 3 years old or something like that, and I grabbed my father's computer and started playing like my first interactions with technology were playing with Solitaire Spider. But yeah, let's just continue with this.
Pretty cool, pretty cool. We have some veterans here with Windows 2000. What about Windows Vista? It
Oh
was
yeah,
cool
Windows Vista.
too.
Yeah, Windows Vista was a really good one.
Pretty
I
cool.
love.
And we have Shemari. Wow, are you challenging yourself? Not really. But I don't know why. It seems strange to people not to watch movies. So yeah. Okay. What happened yesterday? Let's go. Um, First of all, you got started with developing APIs. So probably you joined Dribbie to make some great code. Probably, as I can see here, you've used some Copilot too. So you got into the Copilot world, an amazing world that can help you a lot, to be honest. And yeah,
So another thing that you learned yesterday was that you learned all about REST APIs from Jeff at Oracle, and you learned a lot. Like I can see here that you've been working with HTTP hypertext transfer protocol concepts, maybe request HTTP protocols, how to work with them, all these concepts that you need to be able to work with APIs. So Yeah, also you created, yeah, you were on a stream that I think is not on the slides, but yesterday we learned how to use Fast API and also how to use Firebase to build our APIs. But okay, let's just continue with this.
Okay, so you got started with GitHub Copilot. Great journey. A lot of people have been using it since a lot of time ago. Well, not that a lot of time ago because it's recent, let's say. But a lot of people uh, discovered GitHub Copilot in this Global Hack Week, and it was great to have Stefan. Okay, sorry if mispronouncing it. Stefan doing the workshop. So we received a great response to that. So great, great.
Awesome. Let's continue and see what is going on today. We have a lot of things that are going to happen today. We have a lot of mini games where you can have fun too. But in just 1 hour or half an hour, you're going to be seeing the announcement of the first workshop of our Create Your First E-commerce API with Python series. This is going to be a quiz stream series where we're going to learn how to use Node.js, how to use TypeScript, how to use some libraries of typing, and how to use really database and Dockers like MySQL, or how to migrate databases, and how to create our first e-commerce API without having any kind of problems. So if you want to join and learn this, join me today at 1 p.m. ET or 10:30 p.m. EIST so we can watch and learn together.
Great. So if you don't join David's live stream, I have to notice that you get 100 minus points. So yeah, that's a note to take. Nah, just kidding. Okay, let's go with me. We're going to do notification and security in APIs workshop just to learn how you can secure your API or your company's API, how to make changes and make it more strong to attackers.
Alrighty. Also, you're going to learn with Ridby how to start learning web scrapping and the hacking with web scrapping workshop. So, if you want to learn how to use web scrappers, to be honest, I don't know which language you're going to use, but you're going to learn that and to discover that with Ridby. So, if you want to discover this, join Ridby at 4 a.m. ET or 1:30 p.m. IST, so you can learn how to extract valuable data from websites.
Okay, sorry, I just want to rewind back. Shimmer is asking 3 a.m. ET or 3 p.m. It will be 3 a.m. ET. Yeah, I thought it was wrong, but yeah, it's 3 a.m. ET. Yeah, great. And join Dimmer to learn about deploying containers to DIY servers. It will be at 9 a.m. Eastern time, and yeah, basically you'll learn how to set up containers and run on your DIY infrastructure. So I think you can learn a lot if you're a beginner or you know how you already have some experience. But yeah,
Oh my God, no fall. Looks like we have a lot of hackers who really loved your last stream.
it might be yesterday for people in the time, but for these folks like me, it's the same day. Yeah, for me too. The last session with Nuffle was super fun and productive too. We were working on an open source project. I like hands-on learning. Okay, great. Thank you so much for the feedback. Yeah, looking forward to it.
Alrighty, let's continue. So, finally, for closing your day two and starting with day three, you're going to join Ritby and Carrie so you can learn what's going on day three, and so you can learn all the cool stuff that is going to happen. And so you can, if you have any questions about day three, you can ask anything about day three.
Great. So we are already in the Q&A question section. You can ask whatever you want. Well, not whatever. It must be related to the Global Hack Week and the streams. If you have any question, and yeah, let me just read the comments to see if we have something. If we missed something here. We have a now for how boring life would be without watching movies. Yeah, sorry for that. Pranav,
I
I
don't
can
think
relate to you the topic of days without watching. Yeah, a lot
I
of
don't think
people
so.
probably relate. What about you, David? Are
No,
you into movies?
I don't think so. Well, I'm into movies, but I don't think life without movies is going to be like the end of the day or the end of the world. I feel like there are a lot of activities that you can do, like go hiking, practice a sport, or even just try to be on social media, create content and things like that. So you can just pass your time in doing things, right?
Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, 100%. We have a question. I missed some valuable sessions yesterday. How can I access the recordings? You can access them on Twitch or on YouTube on the channel of the MLH. Let me just share with you the. Okay, you can find them just here on YouTube if you prefer YouTube rather than Twitch. Mm,
I think I can handle this one. How can we get our
okay.
stickers like this made? I think he's talking about like the coach stickers or
Oh,
like
okay.
the
Okay.
drawings. So basically, whenever you become a coach in the MLH, you receive like swag, and one part of this swag is like you can get your own animated yourself or your own animated drawing. So you can share it on your social media and you can start using it on the streams and things like that. So pretty much that's it. Like I think these ones are mainly for emulators, but to be honest, I don't really know who's the provider or the artist who makes this, but I think he's killing it. He or her is killing it, or there's like whoever you are, you're killing it, and this these things are super awesome.
Yeah, they're pretty cool. They're pretty cool, and they look the same if we were cartoons. We have another question here. Throughout this week, will we have any workshop about creating our own API? Well, actually, in I don't know in the other streams because I didn't have time to watch them all. But at least in my stream, we created just a basic API with some get, post, requests, and that stuff. But yeah, obviously, just check out the past streams, and you'll probably find some clues on how to build your own API. Yeah, for
Yep.
sure.
I think we have one folk who's saying a lot of those stuff. First of all, I'm facing challenges while completing day one challenges. I was able to submit the order form only. Oracle won't provide a sandbox without credit card and GoDaddy promo code not working. Okay, Pranap. Pranap, so please go to our Discord. There is one channel called Tickets or like upload a ticket. Please enter to that channel, open a new ticket, and send this out so the team from MLH can handle your problem and can help you and or try to help you solve that. Is that okay? I hope that that is okay. I'm going to assume that that is okay.
Okay, we have another question. What if we have any question related to any session? Where to ask? I mean, you're referring like watching the stream in differ, like not live, just watching the video on YouTube. First of all, you can ask on Discord. Probably a lot of people would have watched the stream and maybe able to respond back, or try to if you're really not into a topic, or you're really let's say a beginner or with no experience in the topic. I recommend you to join the stream, or at least try, because sometimes with the time zone it's quite complicated. But it's great, it's really helpful to join the stream and be able to ask and have your questions responded like in a short period of time, so that helps.
Also, I think you can handle that or like try to if you have beginner questions or things like that, you can ask ChatGPT or like an AI or GitHub Copilot or some of these AIs to. So if it is a code related question or a programming language related question or something like
Yeah.
that, you can always ask ChatGPT and it's totally going to be there 24 hours for you.
Okay, we have another one. Okay, yeah, Shamari, for I don't know who asked, but yeah, there's a building your first API part one on April 8th at 7 p.m. Eastern. So yeah, just the question you asked, the answer you needed. Thank you so much, Shimari. So it's part one, so you assume there's part two and maybe part three. So it will be a more, I would say, a beginner's part, this one. So thank you so much, Mary, for checking.
Is there a specific amount of points you have to get swag? I think so. I think if you're already participating, you get like a postcard that says thank you for participating in Global Hack Week, and also a package of stickers. But you cannot win extra swag if you and your was it clan or how is it called? Your oh my god,
Teammates,
yeah, but I don't remember how the team is called. Oh my god, to be honest, I don't remember. But let's suppose it is team. You on your guild. Thank you so much. It is guild. I totally forget about that word. Yeah, if you're your guild, have like a lot of points or get into the top three, you're totally going to get extra swag. And also, there are some challenges that you can solve to win extra swag from our sponsors like GoDaddy, like Oracle, and things like that. And yeah, just try to get into glowhackweek.io and try to see all the challenges and which are the prizes of those challenges to try to see how you can earn extra swag.
thank you.
Okay, if they're not active, if they're not active, I'm so sorry. I totally forget about that. But yeah, I think individually you can still learn a lot and still uh, handle to solve those challenges.
I can't create free account in Oracle because I don't have credit card. What to do? Um, so like even with the promo applied, or it could be a debit card. I would say it doesn't need to be a credit card. Um, mm,
The limited guard option given. No, I think it's like the same one. If it says credit card, like you can use the same
yeah.
number. It's just like the placeholder, but you can put whatever you want to use. Um, yeah, totally, Shumer. Thanks so much. Like you can
Okay.
use the Discord channel Ask Oracle, so the Oracle staff can help you to handle that. And also, if you have any doubts about, for example, GoDaddy promos or GoDaddy questions, or if the promo is not working, again, use the tickets channel or the general channel or the Global Hack Week channel so you can send a message that the GoDaddy promo is not working. So an emulator can help you there and try to solve that problem. Also, we're going to notify the emulators that the code is not working so everyone can look for a solution. I think we have another from Pranab. What things should I keep in mind while writing code for assignments or MLH projects? Any code as well, guide? We don't have
Uh,
any kind of content on it, I think. Yeah, go ahead, Naval.
okay. I was gonna say, code style guide. Just go to ChatGPT. Okay, just say what you want to do. Copy the code, pass the code, push the changes, and merge it. Yeah, that's the code style. Not just kidding.
Mhm.
Just kidding. Just kidding. Don't do that. Well, you can use it to help yourself. Um, should keep in mind while writing code for assignments. I would say clean code. To be honest, clean code, modular. Don't repeat code. Just follow clean code guide style thing. Don't try to make things more independent. Like don't make try to don't make a thing, a function or whatever or method depend a lot in another one. Just try to, I don't know, write clean code, I would say.
Yep, totally. Like, just try to do your best. If you want, if you can, take a look into some information like how to write clean code. Also, if you're using Visual Studio Code or like IntelliJ or whatever IDE that you're using, I just send in the chat the link of Prettier. It's a really cool station that helps you to document and format your code so it can be looking super cool, super pretty. So yeah, just give it a try to install it, and use it whatever you want. We have another. Oh, hi, Green Joshi, welcome back. Hi, Faron. Faron, you don't have a pizza
Hello.
image, you don't have a pizza profile picture anymore. But hi, Shingri Joshi, are you still fighting because of the pineapple pizza?
Okay, I have
This,
I think this one's for me. Is there any way I can connect with you sometimes just to discuss Git project and understand your time constraints as you're free to the night? Do you have any specific question, or you can feel free to send me Discord if you want. So if you have any technical question or whatever, if you have any doubts from anything I can help you, just I will try to make my best to help. So I would say Discord message. That would be. And okay, Almita. Oh, sorry, Almiduta. Also, can I use Copilot for this month's challenge? Oh, actually, Shamari responded. Yes, you can. Okay, thank you, Shamari. The next time, we will invite Shimari to the stream if you want, David, and it'll be helpful for sure.
yeah, totally. Like, Shimmery should totally give it a try to become a coach. Like, she's
Hundred
killing it.
percent.
She's in, like, in all the streams. She's always like active, working,
Yeah,
solving problems.
I like that. Really cool to see people involved.
Yeah. Okay, I think this is for you.
Okay, thanks to your Discord. I think it's now fall 79 or something like that. Um, you should check in the MLH announcements, or Hack Week announcements. But I think it's now fall 79 or something. Yeah, I don't
Okay.
know the usernames of the platforms I use. Even Twitter or X, I don't know the username, so I just use the email login and that's it. So yeah.
So looks like we don't have any other questions. So if you have any other questions, just write it up so we can answer them. But if not, don't forget to register to this stream. I'm going to send the link of the registration page so you can register yourself to this stream, and you can still be earning more points. And remember to complete the challenges of this day, of day 2 in this global week.
Yeah. We have a question here. Do we have to use JavaScript, HTML, CSS for global hack week, or we can use any language? Uh, I would say any language. There's no language constraints. So if you want to use Haskell, feel free, or Java or C++. It depends on the project, the requirements you need, what you want to do, your team, so you can work together. But yeah, there's no language constraints as far as I
Mhm.
know.
Yeah, and also on the streams we've been using different languages like JavaScript, like Python, like HTML, CSS for building our projects and our APIs. So don't worry about it.
Okay, when contributing to project for front end, I can improve the UI. What should I do for backend? So for backend, you can improve, I don't know, database connection, how things are retrieved. If it's an API, the endpoints, useful, add endpoints, delete useless endpoints that do the same thing as other endpoints. Try to, if there's an endpoint that gets like 25,000 rows of data that we don't need, try to make another endpoint just to get the specific data and just I don't know. There's a bunch of things as the same as the front end. You want to improve the UI or maybe the JavaScript, the transitions, whatever. In the backend, you want to improve what's happening in the backend, improve performance, improve memory management if you want, improve whatever. So just think
Yeah.
about it in that way. Yeah.
Also, another thing that you can do is to try to see the backend of that project and try to improve the architecture. Maybe they don't have like a really good architecture or the folder structure or how the project is being built. And also, you can check for security vulnerabilities. So, for example, on backend, we have some things called middlewares that basically are the middle part between request and our backend or server. So if you're seeing that we have some security vulnerabilities, you can start creating some middlewares that can handle some things for securing our code base or project and things like that. I think I can handle this one. So have
Okay.
you any of you work upon an LLM project? Yes, I have. I've been working like this November in two LLM projects. Um, the first one is for researchers, so it is like a ChatGPT, but we enable like for researchers to upload papers and to bring knowledge and like an own knowledge base for the researcher built with the papers that the researcher has uploaded. And the other ones is for taxes. It's like like a bot that can answer questions about taxes from the tax laws here in Mexico and all of their branches of those tax laws and things like that. And yeah, I think those are the main two ones that I've been working on. Have you ever worked on your own project, Nopal?
Not now. LLM, you mean like large language models or
Yeah,
like AI? No, not yet, but I would love to.
yeah, they're super fun. It's super cool building backend with interactive AI. It's super cool.
We have another question here. Can we have sessions for those in future for from MLH? I assume LLM workshops. Probably it will. There will be an AI global hack week s- uh, someday. So probably there will be something related to it, um, or maybe in next the next global hack week if there's some streams. Here we have some more
Um,
personal. Oh, sorry.
no, 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 go
Um,
ahead, go ahead.
yeah, this one is like more personal question. Maybe if you don't mind, would you like to share how it feels to be part of MLH? The fun of interacting with so many folks from all over the world. I think this is the best thing. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's a great team, to be honest. Really good people, good technical people, and in the streams, you meet a lot of people. You talk with a lot of people. You learn a lot of things. So for me, at least, this year and something, I don't know exactly. It was fantastic. The team is really great, really nice and intelligent people. What do you think, David? What about you?
Yeah, yeah, it's a really cool experience. You learn a lot. You practice yourself and improve yourself. You're always having feedback and the opportunity to have connections and to try to talk with people from all around the world. I think it's super cool. And also for having advocacy abilities, it is a really great program. I think this one is for me. So it is providing
Okay.
us from those papers. No, actually, it uses like abstract. It extracts the abstract and also all the paper information from all the columns. So you can ask things about that paper or the papers that you have uploaded to your knowledge base. So, for example, you can ask like I don't know if you uploaded a paper about LLMs or about diffusion or things like that. Hey, I don't remember how diffusion works. Could you provide me information about the diffusion based on the papers that I've uploaded? And the knowledge base is going to search that information with a vectorial database, and it's going to search like which was the response that is more attractive to your question. But yeah, Backing contribution. I
No,
think.
no. Sorry. I think this was the other question.
Oh, the question is right.
I mean,
Yeah,
backing contribution. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Probably you can check the open source Global Hack Week, and maybe you can find a stream related on doing some changes or working on some backend project with Node.js or something. I remember something with Node.js, but I don't know exactly. You can check the open source. That was 2 or 3 months ago, if I'm not wrong. But yeah, probably you'll find something there. Cool.
also, if you're a hacker from North America, like for example, the hackers that are watching us from Vermont and Colorado, remember that we have hackathon seasons, and we have the MLH hackathons page, so you can take a look about which hackathons are going to be happening this weekend or the next weekend if you want to access them. Also, if you are from India or things like that, you can double check which hackathon is the nearest to you, so you can just participate in that hackathon.
Yeah, great. That's cool. That's cool. Any question? Any more questions? Let me see if we missed something.
I think we don't have any.
No.
Righty, let's just give one more minute to see if hackers have any other question. If
Yeah.
not, we
Okay.
can continue. We can continue the conversation on Discord. Also, remember if you build something on your if you built something yesterday and you want to share it with others that you've been building things, you've been hacking yourself, if you've been hacking something like building a new project, building a new API, things like that, please share all you build on the Discord channel so you can so you can share with other hackers what are you doing and other hackers can involve with you and you can make friends, make connections and talk with the community.
Okay. Is the MLH based in Colorado? No, I would say in New York City, in NYC. So yeah, Shemari answer the questions. So yeah, for sure, Shemari, you should be on the stream next time. Um, oh, we have a question here for you, David. I think.
As you say, you were part of the development team at OpenAI. Oh no, no, I have not working at OpenAI. I've never been working at OpenAI. I'd love to. I'd love to have an internship there. How can you start learning about LM? Remember my hands started shivering transformer architecture. Yeah, transformers are a really cool way to attack those. But I will start learning first of all NLP fundamentals. Remember that we have like AI ML week on our last Global Hack week. Please try to search the stream of NLP's fundamentals or try to search NLP's fundamentals because there's a lot of things you need to learn before starting with LLMs. Transformers are real good, but for understanding transformers, you need to have a lot of information and concepts to know before that. So yeah, I'll totally give it a try to start looking for a roadmap of how to start with NLP, and after that, you are ready to go.
Great. Thank you so much for the tip, David. Okay.
Where on Discord should we ask questions? You can ask it on the Global Hack Week channel, on the API Week channel, it's called. Also, if you have any questions specifically, if something's happening about, for example, the GoDaddy code or Oracle things, things like that, we have an Oracle specifically Oracle questions channel that the Oracle team is helping us to answer questions and to solve problems. But if you have a problem or if you have a doubt with challenge or with something about the MLH, you should totally use the Go Hungry channel or open a ticket to try to solve the problem that you have with an emulator.
Okay,
Alrighty.
so I think there's no more questions. Thank you so much for joining. Oh, too soon to talk. We have another question. One last question related to MLH. It's for Nefel. I want to know how good Valencia is for developers. Actually, we were talking about this before the stream, David and I. And
Yeah.
I'm from Barcelona, but yeah, Barcelona and Valencia right now. That's because there's a really great incubator in startup incubator in Valencia. It's funded by a really rich man in Spain. So it's called Lanzadera, and it's really cool. And there's a lot of startups that are moving from Barcelona to Valencia to the incubator, and now the technological teams in Valencia are growing a lot. Yeah, thank you so. Thanks, Nelfal, for suggesting ways to write good code. No worries.
Alrighty, I think
Hey,
we can call it a wrap, right?
yeah, thank you so much, David, for joining. Thank you, everyone, for joining and staying here. And hope that you have a really great week. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. Thank you so much for connecting. I'll see you, everyone. Thank you so much. Faron, Ethical God, Pranam, Shomari, Yoshi, Fire of Dragon. Thank you, everyone, for being in the chat, and we'll see you next time. So, see you all, and have a nice second day of this Go High Week. See ya.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Bye.